A very good afternoon to one, two, three, and my fellow friends. My name is Darvinesh Varmen. My metric number is 01DDT20F2036. Today, we are going to explain how to hack Android camera through Kali Linux. So, Kali Linux is a software that can download in the Windows. So, let's see how we are progress to hack Android camera through Kali Linux. Before we do the hack Android via camera, but we have to install the some software that we can do the hack Android. So first software we can download the install the VirtualBox. Alright, so in search Google we can search the VirtualBox download, and you can see the VirtualBox. There are many specs like Windows host, OS X host, Linux, and Solidus. So first you have to click the Windows and download. Then after download, here comes the setup for the VirtualBox 5.1.2, and just click next. So after click next, you can see we can choose the location for you want to install the application, and if you don't want to change the location, just click next. Then we have a custom setups like you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, you want to create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, or you want to register the resolution. If you want tick, you can tick. If untick, it's okay. Then click the next. And next page, they show a warning, instruction, network interface. If they ask you the proceed with installation now, just click yes. So after the click yes, then the screen pop-ups is the ready to install. Yeah, the install are progressing. It's quite the take time. And finally, the install are done. So just click the finish button. And finally, we can start the VirtualBox application. But that's not enough. But we have to install another software that is called Kali Linux. So again, go to the Google search, Kali Linux download. And there we can see the two size for the Kali Linux. One is a 64-bit and 32-bit. So we're going to download the 64-bit. After the download progress for the Kali Linux, just go to the VirtualBox. They got three menu bars. Click the machine and click the new. Then after the pop-up shows, please choose a virtual hard disk file. So click the first. It's called Kali Linux 16.1 VM AMD 64. Next, we're going to start the Kali Linux. Okay, click the start button with the green arrow, and we see the loading. Okay, the screen is appear. Kali Linux. And you can see this everything there. Okay, then please type the password and the username. So username is Kali and password is also Kali. Yeah, it's work out. So we can see that there are many main menus in the Kali. You can see the many type of main menus and code command, everything. So there are main menus in use for the Kali Linux. So this is the Kali Linux. So next, Sarvesh is going to explain how to hack the camera with using the Kali Linux. So that's it from me.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarvesh Analaki Nagarajan and I'm from class DDT P4. My matrix number is 01DDT 20F2033. So today I'm here to show you on how to hack your an Android camera, yours or any other person. Okay, so before this, my groupmate should have showed you on how to install the Kali Linux VirtualBox. And once you've downloaded that, all you have to do is open it up, set up everything. It should be like this. And once you set up everything, just click start. It should start. It takes a while, but it will start. As you can see, it started. I'll let it just load. See, it's booting Kali Linux, and yep, it should show an interface like this, which asks you for your username or password. So the username is Kali and the password is Kali. All you have to do is type Kali for both and click enter. After that, everything should load up like this. And then what you have to do is click here, and then you can see all the tools that we can use here. Once you've seen all this, but what we're going to use today is the terminal emulator. So first we get up to the terminal emulator, and now in order to start the process, you have to go to GitHub, specifically to this one, which it says github.com hangetsu/seichis, and as you see, there's a button here called code drop down, and it says http://github.com hangetsu/seichis.git. So what you have to do is click copy, go back to Kali Linux, type git clone, and then paste selection, click enter. It should start cloning into Seichis and receiving objects, resolving deltas, and so on. So once that's done, you type in cd Seichis, click enter, and it should be in the Seichis directory. And from there, you click ls, which lists out the directories where you're gonna put it in. So now what you do is type ./seichis.sh and hit enter. As you can see, it says permission denied. So now what you do is chmod. Oh, no, sorry. Now you click chmod 777 space star, hit enter. Okay, so first you after typing that, it says permission denied. So then you put chmod 777, and from that you now after typing chmod 777 space star, it gives you permission and everything. So now all you have to do is type back ./seichis.sh and click enter. It should show up something like this, saying Seichis server.net ngrock, and what you're gonna press is 2. So once you click 2, you hit enter and wait for it to load up everything. So while it's loading, it says downloading ngrock and starting and there you go. It's done loading. So now once it's done, it usually has a link that it gives you at the direct link, which you can give it to others once they click it, and stuff would happen, which I will show you later. But now, since there's no direct link, what you have to do is Control C to exit. Okay, and now it's back to Seichis. And then you have to go to a website called ngrock. Okay, if you have an account on GitHub, you can register an account on ngrock with the same thing. So once you come up to this page and sign up and everything, you should show up to a dashboard. From there, it brings you to this page. From here, you go to your token, hit copy, go back to Kali Linux. What you have to type is ./ngrock auth token and paste your selection. Once you did that, you hit enter, and then it should say auth token save to configuration file. Right? Now this would work, but what you have to do is type mousepad space say cheese dot sh and hit enter. It should show up a command window over here. And what you have to do in order for this to work is to look for line 124 and 174. And once you get to line 124, you have to copy this command, which all you have to do is go to line 124 and paste. Alright, and once you've pasted it, it show up this, and you can use this command if you're doing it. Now look for line 174. Okay, 174, and do the same thing. Paste. Okay, now you go to files and save it. As you can see, it's saved. Close it. Now the type back the same thing, which is dot slash say cheese dot sh, and this time once you hit enter, it asks you for the same options. You click to, and it's starting PHP server, starting ngrok server, and this time it should work, which brings you, and it'll show you a link which you can use to hack the Android camera. As you can see, the direct link shows https dot and numbers and so on. What in order to hack someone's camera, you have to send this to them, so that once they click it and allow it, it'll start taking pictures of their of them, or wherever the camera is pointed to. So all you do is copy selection, and it's your choice in order to either test it out yourselves, or you can just send it out to a friend of yours or anything. So it should pop up a message like this, or usually it'll give a warning message, which you can just allow it, and when it shows use your camera, you click allow, and it'll start taking pictures of your face. So all you have to do, since it's taking pictures of my face, as you can see, it says target opened the link, but it hasn't started taking the pictures. So as you can see, when you use it on your laptop and do this, it should be able to show the pictures. For some reason it's not showing on mine. So what you do, or what you can do, is maybe go to a Telegram, WhatsApp, or send it to someone. Okay, so what I'll be doing is be sending it to myself. So as I sent it, I can just close this off, and what I can do is send it to myself. So once I sent it to myself, what I do is click the link, and as you can see, it says that I've clicked the link, and yeah, and now it should start taking pictures. It shows your IP, and now it should start taking pictures of my faces, and yeah, so whoever just goes in the link, it gets your IP, and it starts taking pictures of your face. So now once I leave the website, and as you can see, scam file received, all you do is go to file system, go to Kali, go to say cheese, and as you can see, this is just these are the few of the pictures that I took when I got on my phone with the link. So this is pretty much it. This is how you hack someone's Android camera. All you have to do is just give them the link, and if they click it and allow it, it starts taking pictures. If they don't, then it only just shows you who entered the link. So yeah, and if you want to leave everything, all you have to do is Control C, and it should leave. And now, in order to go back and to redo everything again, you have to do whatever the commands I showed earlier. So yeah, that is how you hack an Android camera. I mean, you can hack an iPhone, but it should be covered, and so on. Yeah. So that is all. Thank you.
A very good day everyone. My name is Suresh son of Sokalingam and my metric number is 01DDT20F2004. And today I'll be doing activity 7, hack Android camera using Kali Linux. First of all, you need to download Kali from kali.org. Click on the virtual machine and download the virtual box on the right, 64-bit. It is 3.7 GB. After you download it, you can double click on it. You actually don't need to change this file. I'm changing it because I don't have enough storage. As you can see, it's full. I'm just gonna place it on data, import. Good. So this is gonna take a while. So I'm gonna tell you guys what you guys need more. So you guys need NGRock. You can go to Google and type in NGRock. You can sign up for free. What you need NGRock is for your auth code. You can copy and paste it on a notebook, notepad or something, so you can use it later. And also you need GitHub. You can go to Google and type in GitHub, or you can just type github.com on the URL. You're gonna need to have to sign in or sign up, and also you need VirtualBox, of course, and the Kali. This is gonna take a while. I'm gonna come back after it's done. Okay, so it's done. So to run this Kali Linux, you can just press start. So the username is Kali and the password is also Kali. The password is also Kali. So what you want to do now is click on this folder and open in terminal. And you're gonna type ls. So it's gonna show the list of files. So what you want to do now is add the cheese file. For that, you want to go to Google, type in cheese, and select the top file and press on the code and copy this. So now you want to type git clone and paste and enter. So now the cloning is done. Okay, now we're gonna select. So now we're gonna list the file and see if the CHS file is here. So you can see the CHS file is here, and if you can open here, you can see. And now we're gonna cd say cheese. What this does is it's gonna select the file. So now we're gonna type in chmod 777 star. What this does is it gives us privilege to access. So now we're gonna type dot slash say cheese dot sh, and we're gonna press 2. So it's supposed to show the link where you can send others. We also have a way to fix it if it doesn't show the link. Okay, now as you can see the direct link is not given. There's actually a fix for it. So we're gonna close it, Control C, and gonna go to, you're gonna need to ngrok out token link. Where you can find that is, you can find that in your ngrok here. As you can see, copy that. I already have it prepared, so copy and paste. uh, Hold up. Okay, so now I copied the link that I got from here, and ngrok ngrok, and press enter. As you can see, hot token saved to configuration file. Now what you need to type is mouse pad say cheese.sh. So at here there's some error on line 124 and 174. So we need to change it to the link I have here. So copy this, paste, and now to 174. Okay, now we need to save it. Press file and save. After you're done saving, you can just close it. Now we can do it again. Dot slash say cheese dot sh to Okay, now as you can see, the link is given. You can just copy the link and give to whoever you want to hack. At this point, I'm just gonna send it to myself as example. Here you can see target open the link because I opened the link over there. I'm also gonna open it in my phone. As you can see, target open the link, allow. So now it took a picture. So you can, so to close the program, you have to press Control C. It's done. So if you wanna take a look at the pictures, you can go to searches, open folder. Here you can see the pictures. It's not available because I'm using an iPhone. It doesn't work on iPhone. And so that's all. That's how you hack the camera. If I had an Android, I would have used it, but unfortunately I don't have an Android. So that's all. Thank you very much.
And finally, my group members are already explained step by step for the use hacking camera Kali Linux. Okay, now I have a question. Is the Kali Linux is the savior? I think a Kali Linux is the most secure in comparison to other operating system. But Kali Linux is a non-completely secure as there is some malware for it also, but it is for less vulnerable than others. Each of the program in a Kali Linux, whether application or a virus, need authorization from the administration in the form of a password. So this is explain is the Kali Linux is a safe or not. So that's it from today, and thank you, Puan Putri, and my good members. And so thank you so much.